So if may agam-agam, why don't we have a meeting tomorrow about how the Blue Ribbon Committee should proceed on Wednesday? You know, I've talked many times to Senator, or on Thursday, tomorrow meeting for Thursday, I've talked to Senator Marcoleta many times. He's a very reasonable person. He's intelligent, he studies, he deep kasi ang paniniwala at paninindigan niya. Sometimes ganun din si Senator Lacson, no? Kaya ako sinasabing sometimes kasi sometimes one-sided eh. Hindi makikinig sa reason, pagpipilitan kahit mali, tama pa rin, di ba? So it's up to you whether your messaging is simply pumasok kayo, duwag kayo, and resign, or whether you want to talk about the economy, inflation, yung presyo ng bigas, paano yung mga OFW na mawawalan ng trabaho. Kami, we're coming up with a schedule. Sa lahat ng committees, welcome kayo. And siguro aminin nyo naman, most of the work is done in the committees. Pati LEDAC nga eh. Pati LEDAC, handa na kami pumunta, pinakancel. Tumawag pa sa akin yung nag-organize na kami ba yung dahilan. Sabi ko, hindi sir, ready kami anytime. I think twice ko na parating sa Malacanang, we're ready for the LEDAC anytime. Ang problema, naglalabi nga yung labing isa, yung minority, na huwag pumilos ang Malacanang na any kind of recognition. Ang masama, wrong information pa binibigay.